You are watching the What's New with MotionWorks IEC3 video series. Today's topic is going to show what changes were made when cross-referencing variables in MotionWorks IEC version 3.1. Hi, I am Micah Studeman. Here's a quick preview. To find where a variable is used, just right-click on the variable and select Find All References. Functionality for tracing variable chains is now easier with the Navigate Backward and Forward buttons. Variables can be globally renamed by going to the Global Variables list, Refactor, Rename. Now let's look at this in more detail. First, let me refresh your memory with a quick review of the cross-reference function. The cross-reference function in MotionWorks IEC3 allows the user to find where variables are used throughout the entire project. This is useful when debugging variable problems that exist in code and becoming familiar with someone else's project. To use the cross-reference, first open it from the View menu, then populate the listing using the Build menu. Let's look at the improvements that were made to the cross-reference functionality. One improvement is that a single variable can be cross-referenced without creating an exhaustive variable cross-reference list. The normal way would be to build a cross-reference list and apply a filter to see where the single variable is used. This way is slower because depending on the size of the project, the cross-reference list could take some time to compile. The new way is to right-click on the variable and find all references. This opens up the cross-reference window, showing where the selected variable is being used. This new functionality speeds up the process because it is compiling a smaller cross-reference list that contains only the selected variables. The Trace and Retrace feature allows the user to backtrack through variables they have looked at previously. This is useful for checking and verifying variable issues. For instance, I have traced through the code to find where T group status is set, but now I want to return to what I was looking at previously. I can use the Navigate Backward key to trace where I have been. From here, I can use the Navigate Forward key to retrace the path I took to find where T group status was set. This feature is always available and can be added to the toolbars by selecting Extras, Options, Toolbars, and then making sure it's checked here. The last improvement makes it really easy to rename global variables throughout the code. To change T group status to G_group status, go to the Global Variables list. If you just rename it here, a compile error will occur because the name was not updated in the worksheets or the POUs. To rename without searching and replacing, right-click on the T group status, go to Refactor, then Rename. From here, the name can be changed to G_group status and applied to the entire project. Thanks for watching this video, and go to yaskawa.com/IEC/SW so you can download the latest version of MotionWorks IEC3 and try out these features yourself with the 30-day demo.